We all have had that feeling that when we want to start at something, any work, anything that we want to study, or we want to start with something creative or start reading, it is the most difficult thing just to start it up. And then after that, when we start it, it seems easier than we have thought of. Actually, this thing is what we call procrastination, means the delaying of action again and again. And we delay it till the time we never do it, or when the deadline is very close. Here in this video, I will be taking you through the steps to remove your habit of procrastination. The human brain has a very beautiful and dangerous system of it. It saves the human being from hardships, difficulties, and the things that disrupt our comfort zone or try to take us out of our comfort zone. This system is what causes this delay of action. We just need to overcome this system. The first step in our journey is chunking of our goals. In this step, we will be dividing our goals into smaller and more smaller parts and more achievable so that our goal looks very smaller to us, not very large, very difficult. This is the step where we break our goal to weekly and then daily basis, and we achieve and we do something on every day. Means if you have to achieve or you have to read a whole book, means if you have to read a whole book, it is very much likely that you will start reading when you tell yourself that I have to read 2 pages or 10 pages today. It is very much likely that you will start doing it because 10 pages is not that a hard thing as compared to reading a whole book of 150 pages or 200 pages. So in this step, we will write down our goals and then see how we can cut it down and break it down to more and more pieces. In our journey, the second step will be a technique to work with our full focus and in periods of time. That is what most of us call the Pomodoro technique. Basically, in this technique, we set out a timer of 25 minutes and then we start doing work for 25 minutes with pure focus. It is what we call the pure work. There is no distraction, no mobile phone, no notification, not anything else except our work. We do it in 25 minutes, and after the 25 minutes work, we have a 5 minutes of break. And again, we set a timer of 25 minutes, and again, we have a 5 minutes break. And by this repeating the Pomodoro 3 to 4 times, we get done a lot of work and we don't even feel it. The third step will be another technique to overcome our procrastination. When we think that we have to study for 3 hours, it is very much likely that you will not study or you will not even start studying. You will delay it again and again by making excuses of 5 minutes, gain 5 minutes, just 10 minutes more of watching your favorite season or scrolling on social media or anything you like to do. But this technique will let you overcome your this problem. And it is what we call the 5 minute rule. Basically, in this technique, we just have to say to ourselves that we are going to start work and we will do it just for a minimum of 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Or maximum, it we say to ourselves it will be 10 minutes of work. So we are very much likely to start working. If you have to study 3 hours, just say to yourself, I will study for 10 minutes or 5 minutes or even 2 minutes. It is very much likely that you will carry on with your studies because what is the most difficult thing to start a work is just getting started up. That is how we can overcome this problem of ours. The next thing is a very much important thing, that is accountability, and it works almost 80 to 90%. We tend to do less for ourselves but more for other people because we care about them. For example, if you are sick, you are very much likely to miss your medicine or you won't even go to the doctor very soon. But if your friend is ill or somebody of your family members is not feeling well, you will work day and night. You will take him to the doctor, you will serve him, and then you will take care of him day and night. So in this thing, we have to bring into our work to overcome our procrastination. Just we need to do is we need to make a tracker or have a partner in whatsoever we do. Because if there is somebody waiting, you will, or most of the time, you will take care of him and yourself as well and go meet him. So instead of going to the gym alone, just have a partner, have a friend with yourself to go to gym with. Instead of studying alone, you can study with a friend. And instead of doing everything alone, it is better to have a partner or at least a tracker with yourself so that you feel accountable for something or somebody. And that is how it will help you. Hope so you have got some value from this video. Thank you.